Hello and welcome all. Happy New Year. Welcome to Happy Sim Flying. It's a brand new channel of mine that I've created here on YouTube. Hopefully looking forward to a good year here on YouTube. First time YouTuber and I'm excited. I've been waiting to do a video like this, make content and stuff uh, and that I'm blabbering on. It's dreadful. I'm dreadful. My commentary's going to be poor, so you better watch out, guys, because you're in for a ride. I tell you, it's going to be dreadful. Just give me a second. I'm just going to drink some water just to help the throat. That's better. Right. So yes, we're going to do some plane spotting, as well as some flying. We are here at Manchester Airport, just doing a bit of plane spotting today. I thought it'd be a great way to start a first video off on this channel, to do a bit of plane spotting at this fantastic airport. I've never been to Manchester Airport. It's definitely one of the airports that I do want to visit, at some point, because it has what I believe is one of the best viewing areas at an airport in this country. I don't think another airport comes close to this airport in terms of plane spotting and unbelievable views and just static aircraft that they have here. I mean, they do have a British Airways Concorde in a purposely built hangar. I've seen videos of a walk around inside, and really nice indeed. And also they have a BAE 146 as well, alongside next to the Concorde. And they also have a play area, two purposely built hills that really clear the fence over here. So yeah, it's really a nice place to go and plane spot, and it's definitely going to be one that I'm going to do at some point when I get the time to make that travel down there. It's a very long travel for me. It's about 3.5 hours, so it is a drive and a half, to be honest, to get there. But yeah, one I'd love to visit. We've just got a Iberia MD-AE7, I believe, rolling. Got a DC-10 that's just landed. And let's just watch Iberia take off. I've got ATC down here. Yeah, that's Caledonian holding position. Oh, what's that? That looks like Air Transat. Yeah, Air Transat. A310. Beautiful. Excellent. So we've got a Caledonian over here. We've got another aircraft coming in. We've got two. One of them's going to go around. I can see that. It's going to happen. We're definitely going to get a go round. He's coming in very slow. I don't know what's going on with him. What is going on with these two? Right, he's going around, but he's coming in very slow. Very slow. Don't know what that's all about. See if we can capture him. He's doing a go around. I want to see what aircraft that is. That is very slow in its approach. Caledonian is now just getting its taxiway clearances to its gates. Air Transat is going to go back to Canada. I'm not quite sure what part of Canada it's going back to. Maybe Toronto, maybe perhaps. A couple of Monarch Airlines over there in the distance. Back end of the JMC DC-10. Don't know when that's scheduled to go out. Hopefully we'll get to see that take off. We have an Air UK Leisure 737. And the reason why I got the ATC down here, because I don't want to, I'll try not to over talk on it if I can help it. And also the other reason why is because I've got the sound turned down, so I can't hear any sound or anything. I didn't want my voice to go through the speakers and have that echo effect. So, yeah, so I got all sounds off. I haven't got my headphones on because I don't want to hear my own voice. That's very off-putting to me. So I didn't like that. Is that a Caledonian as well? That is a Caledonian. Could be a special livery. Okay, so that's it. Right, 2 Caledonians. There's Air UK Leisure 737. I thought that was it looked a bit like Delta Airlines. Yeah. This is a special livery for Caledonia. Air Transat's now lined up, ready to go. Off she goes back to Canada. Right. Caledonian is now on the move. It's gotten its clearance. That is the British Caledonian livery. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, we've got a Caledonian A320. Monarch Airlines over here, making its way to the runway. The UK is now just getting onto the runway. Well, those Caledonians have to wait for their clearance because we've got a 737 here, unless he holds. I don't think that's going to happen, but we've got to go around again.
Manchester ground, Bird 1392 Heavy, taxi to the gate. Bird 1392 Heavy, taxi, standby to evening taxiway hotel, Delta Zulu Hotel.
There's the British Caledonian special livery there. Close up. Beautiful. So there's Britannia. It looks like a 757, I believe, or is it a 76? No, actually, it looks like a. No, it's a 757. It's a Britannia 757. And we've got a British Airways 757. Now taxiing onto the runway. It's just getting ready to line up. There goes the British Caledonian. Let's zoom in on that. It's vacated the runway just in time for the other one, for another aircraft to come in and land. So right now he's cutting across the grass, so he's taxiing along the grass. I know it's not realistic, but it does help for the flow of the traffic, to keep moving and to land and stuff. So he's cutting along the grass, and then when he gets to this point here, this is the taxiway just here somewhere. Whoa, what is going on with this one? Slow it down, man. Slow it down. Even the front nose hasn't even it's just touching down now. Wow, that is insane. Crikey, that was insane. Really had to slam on the brakes there. I mean, that was a fast approach, and he was rolling fast. Who is that? Air 2000. God, Jesus. I wouldn't want to be on these aircraft, I'll tell you. That was mad. Now he's just turning on. He's now on the proper taxiway that is there. But that's the first taxiway that you come across to vacate the runway. That was crazy. That pilot was on something, I tell you. Jeez. Terrifying his passengers. But yeah, 21 years I've been using FS9. The reasons behind that is, one, for the amount of stuff that I have on my flight sim. I feel that I'm going to need a very, very expensive PC hardware that can take a beating without skipping a beat. And two, I just haven't got thousands upon thousands to spend on PC, being a family man and everything. And thirdly would be number one, really, is the amount of time, effort, and what's the other word I'm looking for, investment that I've put into FS9. I'm not ready to completely disband the flight sim. I'm still gonna fly around in this flight sim because it's got my theme of the late 90s with these classic aircrafts and airlines are off the top. So I'm not ready to let it go. It's still a great sim. It still holds up. There's a big community that still love the sim, that still use the sim. Developers, who make freeware stuff, they still develop aircrafts like the A350 and that. So yeah, it's still much alive and still great. And we have got an ATA L1011. Wow, that is so slow. Nice smooth landing. Wow. I was like slow motion. He's going to roll on because I disconnected a taxiway here somewhere. I disconnected because they do like a 180 turn, something like that, and then join the taxiway and then on they go. But he's going to go up here where it crosses over like a crossroad. He's going to go to that taxiway. Now that's fine because they don't, it's just there, that's fine because there's is that the crossroads? Nope, he's doing what I don't want him to do. Why has he done that? That is strange because he shouldn't be doing that. Where's his windows? That's odd. He's got no cockpit windows. How strange. Right, he's doing something that he shouldn't be doing because that's disconnected. So how are they still... Oh, there's his windows. That's disconnected. So how is he still able to use that taxiway when I disconnected it from the runway? Now the reason why you couldn't see the cockpit windows is going to be because of the LOD, the level of detail. So the sort of further away from us it is, the less detail is drawn on the aircraft to help with frame rates. Like all these aircraft run independently. It's not an add-on such as FS Traffic or My Traffic or Ultimate Traffic. It's nothing like that. These are independent aircraft that you can download as freeware. A lot of people done liveries, flight plans. You just put them all together, compile it with another program that puts it into the flight sim, and yes, you get all this great stuff. All these great aircrafts and airlines of whatever era you intend to have. You create, when it comes to flight sim layout, you create the world you want. It's your sim. It's your flight sim world. You create it how you like, how you see fit. You can have old with new. You want to throw a 787 in there? That's one of the aircrafts I absolutely love. I absolutely love the Boeing 787. And if you wanted to throw that in there, there's no, you can do what you want, Mix modern with old. It's your world. You do what you want. This is interesting. I just don't understand why he's using that taxiway. I disconnected it from the runway. There should be... I don't understand how he's able to use it. That is bizarre. What's also bizarre is it's missing a bit here, which is weird. Could be the level of detail. Like I said, they have very, very low level of detail. They don't necessarily have to be too far away in order to show less detail in the aircraft. So that could be the reason. Could be. Oh, got another... Is that a DC-10? Looks like another DC-10 has just landed. Right, he's hold position because of, I believe that's a Ryanair. And that's a Caledonian over there that's just landed. Well, apart from my commentary, I hope you're enjoying this bit of airport action at Manchester Airport. Hope you're enjoying the plane spotting. Hope it brings back some fond memories as well.
1230 heavy, request taxi to stand. 1230 heavy, taxi to stand 69er, via taxiway Hotel Bravo, Charlie Alpha, Delta, November. Taxiing to stand 69er, via taxiway Hotel Bravo, Charlie Alpha, Delta, November. 1230 heavy.
I'm not sure what this aircraft is. I'll have to wait and see until it gets a bit closer.
Bird 1659er, hold position, caution the Boeing 747 dot miles. Hold position, speed Bird 1659er.
Oh, okay, so it's Air Tours 767 it looks like. So Air Tours. You guys remember Air Tours back in the day? Oh, we got a Queen of the Skies coming in, ladies and gentlemen. The Queen of the Skies, and what is this that's coming in? Air Atlanta. What a lovely bit of landing that is. Looks like he's got the old Air New Zealand tail fin livery there.
Charlie Golden 5525 heavy, hold position, caution the Douglas DC-10 on the taxiway. Hold position, British Aviation 5525 heavy.
Oh no, it hasn't. No, sorry. I didn't. You know what? I didn't actually look at it when it was sort of side on. Just from this angle over here, it looked like the pattern of Air New Zealand, but it's not. That's nice to see. Atlanta.
Atlanta 238 heavy, taxi to the gate. Atlanta 238 heavy, taxi stand 82 via taxiway Foxtrot Juliet Delta, November. Taxiing to stand 82 via taxiway Foxtrot Juliet Delta, November. Atlanta 238 heavy. Bird 1659er, hold position, caution the departing Boeing 737. Hold position, speed Bird 1659er.
We all love the Queen of the Skies, don't we? She's an absolute beaut. Right, I think we will end. We've got another aircraft coming in. Not quite sure what it is, but it looks like it's landing on the south runway. As Air Tours makes its way, and it's gone. Yeah, I think we will end this video right here. I think it's a perfect ending. It's a great fitting because he's landing on the south runway. He's going to take some time till we can sort of see what's going on with him. We've got another aircraft behind him as well. He's coming in, so he should vacate the runway before he lands. But we're going to end it there. I think it's been a good video. It's not been bad. It's been some good plane spotting, some good airport action. Oh, he's gone around, and that is a 747. That is a 747. Let's just see what 747 that was. Another Air Atlanta that's had to make a misapproach. Oh, because we've got an aircraft already touched down. Looks like he's going to go around as well. Let's just quickly see what happens. I think he's going to go around. Yep, he has. Right. He's taking a little bit of time getting off the runway. That's Air 2000. Just taking its sweet time. Alright. That is it for this video. I'll see you in another video. Maybe at a different airport or a different time of the day here at Manchester Airport. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for staying till the end with my poor quality of commentary. But I hope you enjoyed the airport action. Until next time, guys. Take care. Bye bye.